Hello, welcome to DC's Workshop. Today I have to work on replace the motor for a central air and install it. I'm going to try to record this. I'm going to try to use a headset to record everything, my movement for the camera. We'll see how it works. This is my first time using the headset, so let's see how this works. Alright, let's get busy. All my parts are scattered around. You'll see some of the stuff I'll be doing right here. It may not be light enough, but I don't have a bunch of lighting equipment and everything else. This is the first time taking this motor out. There you go. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Alright. It's identical to the old one here. See here? There's the old one. It's cleaned up a bit. Yeah. It runs, but it keeps locking up. It'll freeze up. Stop. So, I hope this is the problem. It better be. I spent a lot of money on it. Okay. Let's try to put all this back together. Okay. Put the knife up. Alright, let's get back to what we're doing. This is the motor. This is the new motor. I'm going to have to try to put it all back together. I need my phone for reference. Yeah. I get a few things. I took pictures as I took this thing apart. So I got to, okay, go back to it where I took it apart. There you go. Alright, put this piece here on first. Let's put this piece on there first. Alright. Okay. Oh. Alright, let's get this thing together here. I'm trying, Ed, I'm trying. So that's the top. Okay. All right. I hope this is picking it up. Now you use the head mount on this thing to do this stuff, and you can't see what's going on. Alright, there you go. Okay, that's on there. Screw heads on the outside. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can do here now. Get this thing up here. Come on! Back door. Okay. Did he? It'd be cool if you had a video camera with your glasses. That way, what you see is, you know, what you're looking at is what the camera's looking at. That would be cool, you know what? That'd be very cool. Oops. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going to have to pause here. I got to go find 2 screws. Golly Bill. We're going to have to pause right here. Alright, I guess I'm recording. We'll try it. Okay. Alright, these screws right here that go in there, they were so rusty. In order to get them off, I marred up the head on them and everything else to get them off, so I just ground off the head and then they unscrewed. I guess that's what I should have done, but I don't want to mess up these grommets by putting heat on them or something. So the 1032s threads, but they're the self-tapping screws, and those are a little smaller than a regular 1032, and I can't find any. Big box stores don't have them that I found. So what I'm going to do, and 1032, the diameter of these things are only like about 3-4 thousandths bigger than the ones that were in here. So, oh, now wait a minute. That one goes in. These are brand new screws. That went in, no problem. Hey, that went in too. I ain't gonna worry about it. I ain't gonna tap it out. I thought I was gonna have to tap it out. I'm just gonna put them in there. And we'll work with that. Save me some trouble. Alright, we're going to put this thing back together. Hope I know how. Remember how. It's been a while. I took it apart. Had the hardest time finding the motor. And I finally get one. I had to get it ordered. Had to order the thing, so that was aggravating. So, ain't got much good lighting, but I hope as video cameras get, I got a head mount on. I'm hoping this comes out alright. Oh man, you know what? I just messed up. I gotta take it apart. Jumping the gun too quick, dude. Jumping the gun. You know why I gotta take it out? I gotta put the blower on it first before I put it together. Fan on there. I can't put it on there with it in there. See, and plus I gotta put washers on it. All that stuff. I'm just trying to get in too big of a hurry. Let's turn this thing up on its side. I mean its top. Okay, like so. Oh. Alright. Now. Okay, it goes this way. Because I had to unscrew it there. Alright, so let me take this out. Put that down in there. Get this flat up here. Go. Now, got it in there. Now, let's turn it back over here. As long as it's in there, I don't care. Now, let's put her back together. All right. Screw up sometimes. All right, now, let's get her done. Let's get her done. Okay. I'm just checking things out, making sure everything's doing all right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to. I don't care what anybody says, but I'm going to. Ooh, golly, Bill, too. I really wanted to drop. Probably ain't enough light back here, but hey, I ain't got no light to all run in here and everything else. All that stuff. I'm back here in the laundry room trying to put this thing together. There ain't much room for here. still recording. Huh. Yeah. It's still recording. Alright. Now, I got to do a reference check on this thing. Turn it up on its side. Ooh. Get my mag base out of the way. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take that loose, put that right there. Okay, now. Okay, my reference check here. When I took this thing apart, I got to check some things here. I got that checked out. Okay. Uh-oh, hope I got it. You know what? I didn't keep the picture. Crap. Okay. I'll get me a good light here. Make sure where I'm at. Okay. Get me a good light here. Get me a check on about where that is. I need to just get a reference on 5/16. Ooh, that's a long ways in there. All right. Almost 5/8. There you go. There you go. I'm looking for something. Okay, now. Turn it over. Okay, now, if this piece, and this piece goes in here. This piece slides right in here, hooks up on two hooks. There you go. Instead of standing up, I'm going to lay it down on the side. I can do work on it better. Put it laying right here. Here and there. So it goes this way. It's here and here. Pretty sure it goes that direction. Just like so. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, this is a crap. You know when you take stuff apart and you have to wait a month or two to get the parts in and kind of aggravating. You don't do this every day. Kind of aggravating. You wind up forgetting how it went together. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Whatever you think. You know it. Okay. Alright, now I just gotta do one thing. One thing here, I gotta take this loose. And put the new wire up here. Like so. There you go. I got her back together. But it's not installed yet. I gotta get it in there. Alright, so let's get to that part. Gotta give me some knee pads and stuff. So